Okay, tasters, we are very close to the gingerbread house, just a couple of minutes away. I'm very excited. Here at the gingerbread house, the decoration really get me all riled up for Christmas. We are now here at the directory, finding our directions. I think it's best to go to the train hall first. This is really pretty. Ooh! There's a cute little fountain. They have an area for dream catchers, and they have like these quotes around the walls. Let your dreams come true. Go live your dreams. It's really pretty. This dream catcher is also really cute. It's all pastel color. This place is a really nice concept idea because there are so many quotes around the walls, verses even. It's really great. And there's that little moon that says sweet dreams that will get you full of glitter. I just sat on the wall of dreams, which it is beautiful, but that is way more beautiful. That is huge! From the small wall of dreams to that huge gingerbread house. They also have the story of the gingerbread man. This is actually pretty cool. Anything Christmassy, sign me up for it. Go! Climb up the stairs. It is so dang hot. This is a gingerbread house. They have many sweets. There's more squares. Those are like, oh, I think, oh, there's cinnamon rolls. Okay. Cupcakes. Whoa. Tasters, we are up on the second floor of the gingerbread house, and the view is great. You can see like a ton of the places, and inside they also have a smaller version of the gingerbread house. Now we are gonna go back down and explore more. I am now heading down the stairs. This is the cutest thing ever. So we have been walking for a little while. We are now entering the ginger field. There's a little thingy that says uses of ginger, right? There. Strengthens immunity, fights digestive issues. That's a lot of stuff. The uses of ginger, medicine, and food. It's really pretty here. I would recommend you to go here. We are now just going to the bathroom, and then we are leaving, going to the next place we can think of. So yeah. tasters, so currently we are at Ayala Mall Surin and we just ordered food in this Japanese restaurant. My dad is getting pretty hungry, so we decided to stop for lunch. We have some places that we want to go to because we saw that there are a lot of nice places out there. There's like Cold Stone and there's even a French bakery, so we also want to go there. And there's also a culinary utensils, like just a haven for bakers, which I am excited to go to. So yeah, my dad is currently just ordering, and then we are going to eat and then go to those other places. Our food has already arrived. I have sushi, and I think this is a roast egg. It's softly boiled and it's really beautiful. Then I have this ramen. So let's try the ramen first. This is gonna be hot. This is actually one of the best ramen places. This is one of the best ramen. It has like a nice touch of sesame to it. Now I'm going to try this sushi. I think there's like some meat inside with these toasted sesame seeds on the outside. I love it. It's really good. It's a bit hard to chew, but it has a really good flavor. The sesame brings a nice like flavor to it. Then the meat on the inside is, I'm pretty sure, like a chicken or pork, and there's like a bit of sauce in there, and then there's cucumber. It just balances it. The cucumber just like balances everything out. It's so good. Hey tasters, so currently I am in a literal bake shop. There's so many baking stuff. Any chef would want to come here. Hey tasters, so now we are back in the car on the way back to the lodge so that then we can relax. We finished having a great lunch and we bought some macarons from a French bakery that we saw there and that we were planning to go to. And we also bought some some really cheap chocolate chips and some accidentally bought almonds. And we also bought some boxes for my pastries. So I'll show you guys that once we get back to the lodge and we have relaxed, because my feet are starting to ache a bit from all the walking we've done. But yeah, it was a really great day. Okay tasters, so now we are back from our long day, our long, tiring, and exciting day. And right here I have the macarons that we got from the bakery called Tous les Jours. First of all, the packaging is really pretty and it's super cute. There's like some cakes and macarons and roses. Okay, let's try it because I can't wait to dig into these. Oh, they're so cute. There's I think this is mango, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. First of all, they look really pretty. Okay, I think I'm just gonna start off with simple vanilla. Vanilla is really good. The frosting is like really fluffy. It has like an airy consistency. Now I'm gonna try out the chocolate, of course. I'd say chocolate is not my favorite, so it doesn't really go ba-boom with me, so but it's still really good. Now I'm gonna try the mango. I am really hoping that this tastes good because I love mango. Okay. I don't really taste that mango. I don't taste any mango. I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, I don't taste mango. Oh, that's sad. It just tastes like a plain one. It's still delicious though, but I just don't get the mango flavor. Okay, last but not the least, the strawberry one. Hopefully it doesn't taste like artificial like strawberry syrup, which that is not good. Okay, let's take a bite. I get the strawberry flavor there. That's my favorite. That's really good. The frosting is the one that flavors all of the macaron, I'm pretty sure. And that's really good. Yep. Strawberry is my favorite. Those macarons are really good. Okay, me and my parents are gonna feast on these and then relax. Then if we go out for dinner later, then I'll bring you guys.
Hey tasters, it's our last day. We are now on the way back home from Tagaytay. We are gonna miss this place, but we also miss our pets. It was a great stay. We loved it there. The view, the scenery, and the weather was amazing. Thank you, Sky, for not ruining our vacation. And the food was amazing. I had macarons, I had a ton of food. It was so good. It was a great vacation. And now I think we are just heading to one more stop and then we're gonna go home. Okay, tasters, we are at our final destination, the Twin Lakes, where we are going to see a magnificent view. Gonna pick up some drinks and then we'll be on our way back. Hey tasters, so we are currently leaving Twin Lakes and we got some drinks because it got hot. Our final day, and we got some stuff from my grandma. We got mango tart and another buko pie from a different place that we got. And I got iced tea, not like the powdered iced tea, but yeah, hibiscus tea with pomegranate pearls. But now we are gonna enjoy the ride home. Right now we are having these ube special puto seco, which ube is like taro. It's a purple yam. It's kind of like biscuity flavored than the puto seco. I don't really know what it is. Turn left. Thank you, Catriona. It kind of like melts in your mouth. It has really good texture and it's really yummy. Hey tasters, so me and my family are finally back home from vacation in Tagaytay. It was such a fun and awesome staycation. We got to saw so many places. It was one of the best staycations ever. But we are also happy to be back home, to see our cat, to squish her, and to see our dog, who is getting very, very big actually. Anywho, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos every week. And also, please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at homemadebyfranz. You can also get my written recipes at www.homemadebyfranz.com in the description below. Don't forget, be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Lush Taste Homemade by Franz.